Ripple is going to become a bank, and when it does apply and get a banking license, everything changes. This isn't just a tech company anymore. This is the future Fed wrapped in blockchain. Bookmark this thread. Here's what happens next. Most people think Ripple is just a cross-border payments company. Wrong. Ripple is building the infrastructure layer for the next financial system, and acquiring a banking license is the final piece. With one license, they can unlock unfiltered access to global money. What happens when a tech company becomes a bank? Direct access to central bank systems. Ability to issue loans, credit, and even custody assets. Legal power to handle both fiat and crypto. Seamless integration with CBDCs and stablecoins. Elimination of intermediaries. Ripple isn't trying to partner with banks. It's trying to replace the need for them. They're already preparing. Ripple has U.S. regulatory clarity post-set case, $25 billion plus in assets. Global payment corridors across 70 countries. CBDC pilots in Bhutan, Palau, Montenegro, and more. Deep ties with BIS, IMF, and central banks. All that's missing, a banking license. Why would Ripple even want one? Because being a licensed bank equals instant legitimacy, global access, and regulatory immunity. Instead of fighting regulators, Ripple would become the infrastructure regulators use. You can't ban what's part of the system. There's more. A banking license allows Ripple to issue Ripple-branded stablecoins beyond our LUSD, offer institutional custody, become a gateway for tokenized real-world assets RWA, legally hold reserves in multiple jurisdictions, act as a digital clearinghouse for CBDCs. This isn't just banking, this is reprogramming money. Still think cannot be true. Ripple already acquired Mitaco, a crypto custody firm trusted by banks. It's been expanding into real estate tokenization and trade finance. It offered $5 billion to acquire Circle, the issuer of USDC. It's hiring aggressively for regulatory and compliance roles. These are not startup moves, these are institution-building moves. Imagine this, Ripple is granted a digital banking license. It launches Ripple Bank, custodial plus DeFi services. It holds treasuries, issues credit, moves dollars on-chain. It connects directly with FedNote and Swift. It becomes the backend of CBDC distribution, all powered by XRP. What does this mean for XRP? If Ripple becomes a bank, XRP becomes the liquidity spine. CBDCs gives XRP, stablecoins gives XRP. Tokenized securities gives XRP, real estate gives XRP. And as XRP bridges these assets, it gains real demand, the kind central banks can't ignore. We're going to enter the final phase of the game. Regulatory chess, institutional alliances, and blueprint-level plays. Follow isocoininsider for daily updates.